Hey, this is Kat Von D, and you are watching Deform. We are here in London at the Pure Show. Such a general question. I think I'm inspired by lots of things. It really depends on the day. Sometimes I'll revolve an entire outfit around a lipstick shade or a shoe. And sometimes if I wake up and I'm listening to The Cure, I might dress it a different way. So, you know, it all just depends. And I think that's the beauty of fashion or makeup or artistry in general. It's like, they're all forms of self-expression, you know, and I'm a big fan of that. I'd say Wolverine. I'm a big fan of Danzig, and I think he kind of looks like him, so yeah. We just launched a shoe line, and then obviously everything is designed a year in advance, so we're already working on the next season for the clothing line. And then I know you guys don't have a Sephora, but in the States it's like every girl's favorite makeup dream come true, and so we have a line with them. Man, that's so crazy. Can't we have carrot cheesecake? In no way do I want anybody to emulate my style, or I'm not in any way flattering myself and saying I'm a designer. I do it not because I have a deadline. I do it because I love it, and I truly find joy out of creation. So, you know, I'm never gonna have kids, or that was never my plan. So I think that this is like that same love, the similar love that I can do, and it's great because you connect with an entire world, you know, whether it's through music or through a drawing, you know, like it's silly, but like the reason I like Twitter and Instagram, it's because I get to do a drawing and then I post it, and then somebody is inspired to pop me. And I just finished writing my book, my third book, so I'll start a book tour like I did last time in the fall when it's released. Well, lately I think I've really just been the reoccurring thought is just to be nice. Yeah. You know, I think we forget that everybody is somebody's daughter, and it's or somebody's sister, or you know, like you know, I'm really close with my dad, and I just always try to put myself in other people's shoes, you know, because we forget that a lot. It's way easier to knock people down than it is to sometimes to just be nice and smile. So yeah, I guess that would be what I would want to give to people.